In this lecture, I am going to explain about pumping lemma for context-free language. And this pumping lemma is a tool which proves that language is not context-free language. Let me write down the theorem of pumping lemma for context-free language. Then I'll explain this with example. Let L be context-free language and N be any natural number. Choose a string Z and which should be belongs to language L, and length of the Z should be greater than or equal to N. Divide the string Z into 5 parts U, V, W, X and Y. Next step, the length of V and X should be greater than or equal to 1, and length of V, W and X should be less than or equal to N. Now choose any suitable integer k and apply over z dash, that is z dash is equal to u v power k w x power k y, and it should not be belongs to language L. Choose any suitable integer k. I'm going to explain this with example. Question is written over here. Prove that language L is equal to a power n, b power n, c power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1 is not context-free language. So let me explain this by using pumping lemma. So let me apply n here. Here n is greater than or equal to 1. So let L is equal to ABC, AABC, AABBC. Let me explain this example. So here language is equal to a power n, b power n, c power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Suppose if n is equal to 1, then I'll be getting ABC. If n is equal to 2, then I'll be getting AA, BB, CC. If n is equal to 3, then I'll be getting 3A followed by 3B and 3C and so on infinite times. As per this theorem, I have to choose any of the string as Z, and the length of the string should be greater than or equal to n. So let me choose the string. So I'm going to choose n is equal to 3. So I'm going to choose a string Z. So Z is equal to 3 times A followed by 3 times B followed by 3 times C. So the first condition is length of Z should be greater than or equal to n. So here in this example, length of my string is 9. 9 is greater than 3. So this condition satisfied. So now I want to divide the string into 5 parts. So that is U, V, W, X and Y. So while dividing this string into 5 parts, again I have some condition. So the first condition is length of V and X should be greater than or equal to 1. That means at least one character should be in the V and X. And one more condition is length of V, W and X should be less than or equal to N. So in this example, I have taken n is equal to 3. So maximum 3 characters should be there, less than or equal to n. So at least I'll be giving one character here, so that my condition will be satisfied. So let me choose some characters. So here I'm going to give A, here I'm going to give B, and here I'm going to give again B. So a length, at least here the length of the string V and X, so 2, which is greater than 1. So this condition is also satisfied. And now length of the string here VWX, the length is 3, so which is equal to N. So this is also satisfied now. So the leftover characters are this A, and now this is also leftover. So I'm going to write these characters in U as well as Y. So let me write it over here. The remaining is AA, and here it is BCCC. So now choose any suitable integer k, and then so that we can able to prove that language is not context free language. So let me choose any integer. Suppose if I choose k is equal to 1, then it will prove that language is context free. But I want to prove that language is not context free. So I am going to choose k is equal to 2. So z dash is equal to u v power 2 w x power 2 and y. So let me substitute values here. So u is equal to a and v is equal to a, that is 2 times, and W, that is B, and X is again B, which is 2 times power 2, so 2 times, and Y is B, C, C, C. So when I rewrite this Z dash, it is 4 times A and 4 times B and C 3 times. So in my question it is A power n, B power n, C power n. So if n is equal to 4, I should have 4 A's, 4 B's and 4 C's. But here I have 4A, 4 B's also I have, but only 3 C's are there. Hence Z dash is not belongs to language L. Hence language L is not context free language by using pumping lemma.